This is the second hardest thing in day trading. People don't know when to exit. Some say, well, I exit on a certain profit potential. Oh, really? And what would that profit potential be? Well, if I make, 60%, I'm out. Oh, really? So what if it hits 50% and then reverses and you make nothing? There goes your whole profit percentage out the window. Well, I won't lose more than $50, but I look to make $150. Ah, okay. But what if there's only $75 to be made? You just stay in it until it reverses and you only lose 50? All wrong answers. And what I'm telling you is that 99% of day traders don't know what the F they're doing. They're guessing when to get out. They're making up rules based on what they saw on YouTube. Nonsense. We have a very specific rule and an indicator to get you out. It's the GTFO indicator, otherwise known as yellow bar. So without huge explanation, you all see that this is red. I know it's red and I know it's horizontal. You're just going to have to trust me that before it turned red, it was yellow. And before it went horizontal, it was vertical. Which means as soon as this bar began, you got a yellow bar that looked like this. That's called yellow. Once it turns 2 o'clock and the candle is over, this will turn red. And once this is red, it'll stay vertical until the next bar is made. And as soon as you see the next bar, right there, right here, you get a yellow bar here, and this red bar disappears and becomes a horizontal bar. So that way we don't have a whole bunch of vertical bars all over the place. That's just the way it works. Simple. Yeah, boom is right. So time of day, check. Price action, check. Check, check, check. Entry, exit. That's called a day trade. Now you want to see like 20 more of them, rapid fire? Okay, no problem. I'll show them to you. So you remember I said level or yellow, right? Easy. What was the exit price estimate? I don't know, Johnny. If you got out here, it was probably $199.84, $199.80. So it probably was $1, which means you probably made $50. So if it cost you, say, let's say it was an 80-cent call, you probably made 50. If it was a $60 call, you probably made, 40. Somewhere around probably 70%, something like that. Because just in round numbers, if you paid $80 and it was, say a delta 50 or something, you'd make 40. But because of the rapid rise, what you get is volatility increase. And when that happens, it's more than the delta. It's much more than the delta. So you think you might only make $30, but because of that move, the premium expands and you get paid more. You could have a double here. Even though it only went up $1 and your delta was 45, you could still have a double because it happened quick and it was huge volatility spike. Okay, you guys ready for the next one? The next time of day zone is purple right here. It's small because it doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's cool. So you're out of the trade here and waiting for what? A shift. Do you see one? This is called a reversal candle. Does somebody know what this is called? So time of day, yep, 1040. Reversal candle, yes. Confirmation candle, yes. Moving average cross, did it go from green to yellow? Yes. Look guys, check it out. I've got time of day and price action rules. What's the next thing I'm supposed to do? A beginner, somebody that hasn't answered all the questions. What would I do next? I confirmed time of day. I confirmed price action. What do I do now? Do you want to take the trade or not? The dagger of death candle run away. Incorrect. Yes, so will you check the indicators? Right, the indicators. Wait for the pull. No, you don't wait for the pullback yet. You got to confirm with the indicators. Very good. So what do? No candle of death. That's just nonsense. Boom. What do I see? Red trajectory. Check. RSI just went below 50. Check. And a sea of blue now turns into a sea of yellow. Check. Wait for pullback. Right there. Boom. 99.30-ish. So now I buy the 199 put. And again, level or yellow. So now you get a chance to see what level is. If the yellow bar shows up first, I'm out. But if I hit a level, I'm out. Does everybody see this yellow line? That is called the pre-market low. That, my friends, is called a level. This line here that's green and turns red, that's yesterday's close. It's green because price is above it. It turns red when price is below it. That is a level. This line right here, this blue one, that's today's open. So you have the pre-market high, the pre-market low, today's open, and yesterday's close. These are 4 levels. Other levels that you might see are a swing low or a swing high, and we have indicators that show you those levels. So if you look, you're in here, right here. Boom, 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 bang, out. Entry, exit. Now there is another rule that would have kept you in this trade. Dare I even tell you what it is? I don't think I will. Okay, next. Keep going. Guess what we're coming up on? Anybody want to guess what we're coming up on? We just had 2 successful trades. Anybody want to guess what that yellow box is? Yeah, the flying fives. Oh my God, another time of day zone? Look at this one. Do you think these time of day zones are accurate? Look. I'm waiting. Here's the 1040. Boom, boom. Yep, coming up on the zone. There it is. Here's the 11 o'clock zone. Down, down, down. Reversal candle, confirmation. Boom. It's right here on the 11 o'clock time of day zone. Well, the indicators will show in a second. So now I'm looking for a reversal candle. Is that a reversal candle? Yes or no? I would say so. Is that a confirmation candle? It got above it, but iffy. That to me is a confirmation candle. Have the moving averages crossed positive yet? Not really. No. Hold on. Why are these not working? I wonder why. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I probably have 2. Hold on one second. There we go. Yeah. I had the moving averages set to simple moving average instead of exponential. So now they're exponential. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Reversal candle. Yes. Wait for the moving average cross. Bang, right there. Everybody see it? So I've got the moving average cross. Now, wait a minute. There's a level here. I can see it. Should I not wait for that level to be breached? I think I might. So I wait for the level to be breached. Boom. There it is. Very nice. I look down. What do I got? Yes. Yes. And a sea of blue after yellows. Take the damn trade. Look right. 199. Maybe I'll get the 199 half. And then bang, I'm in the trade. See it? Now when do I get out? When do I get out? Ah, level, out. Now I could have stayed in. Now I will give you the rule. There's one little caveat. We call it the flying five. So the flying five is the 5-period moving average. That's the gold. If when you hit a level, when you are about to hit a level, if the trajectory of the 5-period moving average is such an extreme trajectory to the upside as it approaches the level, you can stay in the trade until yellow. You don't have to get out at the level. And advanced people would say, not only am I staying in the trade here, if the 5-period moving average is screaming through the level, that's my signal to add to the trade. That's right, Pops. And so now you got double. Now you got 2 contracts. And so when do I get out? When do I get out? Should I take profit? What should I do? Bang, right there. Yellow bar would have happened right here. See it? Out. I mean, I could do this all day with you guys. This is called the out of the lunchbox trade. If you want to see it, it's when you come out of the lunchbox and cross. So this is the lunchbox. So the lunchbox is during lunch when price chops around. There it is. So you have the high of the lunch, you have low of the lunch right there. See it? This is lunchtime. This typically happens during lunch. It just does this. Don't trade it. But then you wait till after 12:30. And after 12:30, if it breaks this way, buy puts. If it breaks this way, buy calls. It's called the out the lunchbox trade. It's so unfair that we have this advantage. It's laughable. Do you see where it breaks right there? Everybody see the break of the lunchbox? Let's double check. How's my trajectory? Well, moving average, yes. Confirmation, I mean, you have everything you need, right? Cycle good? Yes. RSI above 50%? Yes. Are we in a sea of blue? Yes. I think you could take the trade. Take it. Buy right here. You would be buying probably the 202 half or 202 calls on IWM. Until what? Dun, 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 dun. Yellow bar. Exit. Nice little trade, right? From 202 to 202, 60, 70, 80. Nice little scalp. Then you get the next time of day trade. You know what the next time of day is on our time of day chart? It's called 115. Here it is. It's coming a little early. Reversal candle, confirmation candle, moving average cross as they turn yellow. Let me check the cycle. Yes, I think so. Check. Let me check the RSI. Check. Sea of blue to a sea of yellow. Check. Dots confirm. RSI confirms. You even get a little pullback entry here. Great. I'm in the trade and I exit where? Doot, 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 doot. Bang, right there. See this? Yellow. right there. I mean, this is just ridiculous, right? How many trades could you have put on just following simple rules and this simple workspace? We teach you how to use the 5-minute chart for backup. You've got the ticks, the advanced decline, and really fantastic when you see the shift in the VIX. This is also something that we use all the time as one of our indicators, as one of our ways to indicate that it's time to take a trade. Remember this one right here, the 1 o'clock trade, just after 1 o'clock? If I wanted to confirm that volatility was dropping and it was time to take potentially, volatility was increasing, fear was increasing on the volatility index right here, bottom. See how they go green and it starts heading up higher? That's the volatility index, and it's going higher and higher, starting at 1 o'clock right here. That means price is going lower. So there's more to this rocket ship. I'm just showing you just with the basics. How much could you have made just trading one $60, $70 contract on IWM just yesterday? Incredible, right? There's another one called the 2 o'clock shift. Anybody want to get into on the 2 o'clock shift? Here it is. 2 o'clock. Here it is. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Reversal candle, confirmation candle, moving average cross. They turn green. Let me check the cycle. Boom. Yes. Yes. Sea of yellow. Sea of blue. Take the damn trade. Boom. Get out on yellow. All right.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.